Hi, Haridas. Hi. What you doing? Oh, sure. Show me. Wow, this is a big roller.
Bigger than me.
Sure is.
I stand on a seat and I get bigger. I'm standing, see, I'm bigger than I stand on it.
You're not bigger than it, but you're taller, huh?
Let's eat this slimy.
Is it slimy?
I was trying to get on over there.
No, you're not supposed to go up there.
Then I can all the way back down here. This is another step. This thing, I almost fall down here, down the roller. Then I hold on to the stake. See that red step?
Ooh. That's not a step. That's part of the rolling machine. Steps are over here.
No, I touched on the those pieces and all my hands get black.
Oh, really? Oh, it's dirty there. Probably some asphalt got on it.
Now I'm supposed to go over there.
Yeah, no, it's okay. I'll help you down, okay? Want to say goodbye?
Bye.
Bye.